Today's tutorial is about crafting depth using selective blur, an approach that simulates cinematic lens focus and adds dimension to flat images. Begin by duplicating your base layer. Go to Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur. Add multiple blur pins. Keep the main subject sharp with zero blur and gradually increase blur as you move outward. This mimics real-world depth of field. To refine, mask out any areas that should stay sharp. Faces, products, or important details. Use a soft black brush for smooth blending. Next, add subtle foreground blur. Create a new layer, paint soft shapes in white or gray, and apply Gaussian blur. Reduce